Protein is essential for the repair and regeneration of our cells, and it is one of the front runners in fighting infections. If we eat too little protein, this can cause issues in terms of weakness, apathy, fatigue, and low immunity. Protein is made of amino acids, building blocks very similar to Lego. These amino acids are classified as essential or non-essential. Essential amino acids cannot be manufactured by the body, so we must take them in through food. Food sources of protein are classified as incomplete or complete, based on whether they contain all of the essential amino acids or not. Plant-based foods contain a lot less protein, so this means that we need to eat more of these foods to get the equivalent amount of protein we would find in animal-based products. Plant-based foods are incomplete proteins, so eating a wide variety of these foods is key. For example, if we look at legumes, if you mix and match the different kinds, it means that over a day you get all of the essential amino acids. Meat eaters can easily get all of their essential proteins in one meal, but plant-based eaters, don't forget, you need to mix and match and give that a little bit more thought. For a quick protein boost, try adding skim milk powder to a glass of milk. Simple, quick, and full of those complete proteins.